Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. I am Khurram Shahzad and today I am here to teach you B as a silent letter in English. I'll also show you the phonetic transcription of those specific words. Whenever we search words in dictionary, we also get phonetic transcription of those specific words. Today I'll teach you the silent letters of English. Let's start the video. My first word is bomb. We often read this word like bomb, but the last B is silent here and we should call this word like bomb. Second word is doubt. D-O-U-B-T. Here B is also silent and we should call this doubt, not daubed. Third word is thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Here B is also silent and we should call this thumb. Thumb. Fourth word is S-U-P-T-L-E. Subtle. This is not subtle. We should silent B also here and we should call this subtle. Subtle. Fifth word is C-O-M-B. Comb. This is not comb. B is also silent here and we should call this comb. Sixth word is D-E-B-T. B is again silent and we should call this debt, not debt. Seventh word is D-U-M-B. This is not dumb, this is dumb. This is dumb. Eighth word is L-A-M-B. Lamb. This is not also lamb, this is lamb. B is again silent here. Ninth word is limb. L-I-M-B. Again B is silent here and we should call this limb. 10th and the last word is N-U-M-B. Numb. No, this is also not numb, this is numb. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.